beautiful Pompurba spring was once a vibrant part of the tourism circuit in Goa. Donated by Augusto Matias Pinto and Joaquim Vicente Pinto of Ololim in 1915, the spring had medicinal properties. However, today it is a sad story of being used as a liquor drinking spot with liquor and plastic bottles. The weeds too have overgrown. Renovated in 2010 by then Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco, it is crying for attention. Here is an exclusive expose by Goa News Balkao.
Hi, I'm here at the Pomurpa Spring, a very famous landmark at Pomurpa. A God-given opportunity for us humans and the generosity of nature to give us water 24/7. However, I am very pained to see the condition of the facilities that has been provided here which have never been maintained. For example, if you see the tiles that are laid, very dangerous to walk. In fact, one of my friends was going upstairs, he just tripped over. If you see the garbage that is piled up, in all the nooks and corners, the garbage has been just collected and piled up in one corner, which is a shame. I'm told that there is a person who comes every day to clean. They are paid 6,000 rupees by the Department of Tourism. But what kind of work is being done, nobody bothers. There is no supervision. There is no supervision of the work done by these people. How are we going to keep this place in order? How are we going to keep it clean? Anything can go on in Goa. Somebody can bring his clothes and wash them over here. Is this the place to wash clothes? No. This is supposed to be a medicinal spring. People used to come here for natural healing. It is being turned into some kind of a gutter, if I can use that word. This is not the respect we give to God-given heritage. This is not the respect we give to something the ancestors, Augusto Matias Pinto and Joaquim Vicente Pinto, very generously gave it for the public use.
Both the gents and the ladies' toilets at the Pompurba spring are filthy, with human excreta. The caretaker of Sulabh told Goa News Balkao that there is no water since there is no electricity and the water does not get pumped. There are no play facilities for the children since the play equipment is not working.
The electricity in the night is not functioning at all. The toilets are clogged. The toilets are not clean. The water supply is a disaster. It does not restore water for facilities, except for the changing room, which is in a very good condition.
टॉयलेट पळय आहा तो सुलभ टॉयलेट जो मनीस तो आतां राकेश म्हणून कोणी न्यू येयल्लो आहा थंयसर तो ते सगळे पळयता तो दोन कामां करता एक टॉयलेटाचें आनी एक ते वॉचमॅन थंयसर दोनूय कामां तो करता आनी केन्ना केन्ना ते बाटले बिटले फोडलेले आहा थंयूय तो साफ सफाई करता हेज्याकून पयलीं एकटो आसलो एक जाणटो तो फक्त बसून आसतालो थंयसर पण काम करनासलो पण आतां हो येयल्ल्याक 2-4 दीस जाले 3 दीस जाले तो मातशें ते साफ सफाई चालू आहा तेजें मेन प्रॉब्लेम कितें आहा जे उदीक पळय आहा तेका जेन्ना लोक येयना ते झरीचे आमी उदीक कितें करी ते पायप लायताले आनी ते हेजे टाकयेचेर चडयताले फाटल्यान टॉयलेट टाकयो आहा तेजेर ते चडयताले आनी ते मागीर ते सप्लाय स्विकारताले एक्चुली ते भितर साफ ना ते बरोबर आहा टॉयलेट रूमी पळय साफ ना ते बरोबर आहा ते आतां हेज्या फुडें ते सुलभ टॉयलेटवाल्यान ते पळोवपाक जाय.
If the government is serious about promoting hinterland tourism, it's high time the government restores the Pompurba spring at the earliest.